All right. Let's see. All right, here we go. All right, just testing out the new drone. Nothing crazy. Ooh. Handles well. I mean, it's definite significant difference. Weight, movement, action, everything. The wind is pretty strong out here today, so I just want to see what I can do, you know? Yeah, I can handle this a lot better. Yeah, it's a lot easier to manage. Yeah, a lot easier. And on a windy day, wind is like 6 miles an hour. I'll put that up somewhere on the screen so you can see. But wow, look at this. It's handling a lot easier. Look at that. No major control issues. I won't try the yaw because I know that's not going to work. It's too windy for it, you know? But yeah, I just want to kind of get a feel. I've introduced it before, but I really was just, before I was just go up. Let's see how high I can get. Let's see what we can see this time around, because this is my, let's be clear, this is my third, this is my third Blinery HK. And I think the reason, my main reason for keep buying this drone is because it's a great drone for a beginner. It has the weight, it has the GPS, it has the follow me, the tracking, it has all those features that you need, but it's still not hugely expensive. It's a good way to, I guess, take a step up from the drone that I had, because that drone was like, it was real cheap. So this one, it's a lot better, and you can see the handling. I mean, it locks in a lot easier. Yeah. So my goal, my objective for this season is to simply get better at controlling what I'm doing, being able to go longer distances away with control, Because right now I'm still too nervous to even fly too far away because I think I'm going to lose it. Look at that. It's already locked in and hovering. I'm literally not even holding the controller. So, yeah, this is definitely an improvement from what I had before. So I just wanted to guys introduce again the Blinery HK55. Now, I'm not going to do reviews and all that. I'm going to do drone drills so I can see, where we're going. Because that's the only way to get better is to keep doing drills, So this is feeling good. I mean, look at that hover. And it's pretty windy. It's pretty freaking windy out here. So, but it's not, I mean, it's super windy, but it's not really, it's easy. It's not easy control, but it's a lot easier than it was before, even in strong wind conditions. You're fighting the wind, but able to hold it. So it's not necessarily a test flight or anything. It's just kind of letting you guys know what my plans are to get better, to fly further, and improve. So, yeah, stick with your boy, man. It's going to be fun. I promise you, you're going to like it. So I appreciate you hanging with me, and subscribe. You won't regret it. This is Silent Hyperdrive signing out, man, and keep on flying. As always, peace.